When I was gambling, I thought I just had a money problem, but I didn't realize my brain was being completely rewired. In this video, I want to show you how gambling changed the way I think, feel, and behave, and how I'm slowly healing my mind and taking back my life. Gambling activates the same reward centers in your brain that powerful drugs like cocaine do, especially the dopamine system, which is responsible for feelings of pleasure and motivation. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical because it creates a rush of excitement and anticipation. Every time you gamble, especially when you experience a near win or just miss a jackpot, your brain gets a surge of dopamine. This makes you feel excitement, relief, or even a temporary escape from stress. But as you keep gambling, your brain starts to adapt and becomes less sensitive. Everyday pleasures like spending time in nature, enjoying relationships, or eating your favorite foods just don't give you the same buzz anymore. Only gambling seems to trigger that intense feeling, making it harder to enjoy other parts of life. I started noticing signs. I couldn't focus on anything unless it was gambling. I'd get anxious or irritable if I couldn't place a bet. Even when I was winning, I wasn't satisfied. I just wanted more. I wasn't chasing money anymore. I was chasing feeling something. That's how addiction works. It hijacks your reward system, and it makes everything else in life feel flat and meaningless. Here's what most people don't realize. Recovery isn't just about stopping gambling. It's about retraining your brain to feel again, to find joy in the small stuff, to reset your dopamine levels. And that takes time, weeks, even months. In the beginning, I felt numb, bored, depressed, but it wasn't because something was wrong with me. It was because my brain was detoxing from overstimulation. Okay, so here are 5 things I've done to help my brain recover and feel more balanced. Healing isn't always a straight line, but these steps have made a real difference for me. First, I make sure to take daily walks in nature. Being outside, surrounded by trees and fresh air, kind of resets my dopamine naturally and helps clear my mind. It's like a gentle reset button for my mood and energy. Second, I journal my urges and emotions every day. Writing things down has helped me reconnect with my feelings and understand my triggers better. It's a safe space to process what's going on inside. Third, I've added cold showers and breath work to my routine. Honestly, those practices teach my brain to regulate itself and handle stress. They're uncomfortable at first, but they really build resilience over time. Fourth, I avoid my phone for the first hour after waking up. That really helps reduce triggers and gives my mind a calm, peaceful start to the day instead of jumping straight into notifications and distractions. And finally, I spend time reading and meditating. These habits are slowly rebuilding my focus and patience, helping me feel more present and less scattered. At first, none of this felt good or easy. It was uncomfortable, and I doubted if it would work. But over time, as I stuck with it, I started to notice real changes. My mind feels clearer, and I'm genuinely starting to heal. Urges still come, even when you think you're past them. And honestly, sometimes they hit hard out of nowhere, catching you off guard in the middle of an ordinary day. But now, I understand what's really happening. It's not that I truly want to gamble. It's just that my brain remembers what it used to crave, and it's trying to pull me back. So instead of fighting the urge with shame or panic, I try to pause, breathe deeply, maybe text someone I trust, or write down what I'm feeling. Write it out like a wave, knowing it will pass. That's healing too. Not just saying no, but staying conscious and present through the discomfort, learning from each moment. I'm not fully healed, but here are the signs I've noticed. I enjoy simple things again, like music, walks, food. My sleep is deeper. I can focus longer without needing a hit. I'm not constantly thinking about gambling anymore. And I feel proud, not ashamed, of who I'm becoming. Healing doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen. If you're trying to quit gambling and you feel numb, anxious, or lost, that's not failure. That's your brain healing. Don't give up. Don't go back. What you're going through is temporary. And you're already stronger than you think. Subscribe to Bet Free for real support, honest stories, and weekly tools to help you heal. This isn't about being perfect, it's about choosing recovery, one day at a time.